Computer science. Now let's study about the history of computer. Since ancient times, primitive men have been using different kinds of device. They used sticks, stones and bones as counting tools. As human mind and technology improved with time, more computing devices were developed. Now let's discuss about the evolution of computers. From counting tool to the invention of computers. Abacus. The history of computer begins with the birth of Abacus. Abacus is believed to be the first computer. It is also said that Chinese invented abacus around 4,000 years ago. Abacus has a wooden rack with metal rods and beads mounted on them. The beads can be moved by the abacus user according to some rules to perform arithmetic calculations. Abacus is still used in some countries like China, Russia, and Japan. Napiers Bones. Between 1550 to 1617, Napiers Bones was invented by Sir John Napier of Merkhiston. Napiers Bones was a manually operated calculating device. In this calculating tool, Sir John Napier used 9 different ivory strips, or bones marked with numbers to multiply and divide. So, the tool became known as Napiers Bones. It was also the first machine to use the decimal point. Pascaline. Pascaline is also known as arithmetic machine, or adding machine. This machine was invented between 1642 and 1644, by a French mathematician and philosopher, Blaise Pascal. It is believed that Pascaline was the first mechanical and automatic calculator. Blaise Pascal invented this machine to help his father, who was a tax accountant. Pascaline could only perform addition and subtraction. Pascaline had a wooden box with a series of gears and wheels. When a wheel is rotated 1 revolution, it rotates the neighboring wheel. A series of windows is given on the top of the wheels to read the totals. Stepped reckoner, or Leibnitz Wheel. Stepped reckoner, or Leibnitz Wheel was developed by a German mathematician and philosopher, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz in the year 1673. He improved Pascal's invention to develop this machine. It was a digital mechanical calculator, which was called the stepped reckoner, as instead of gears it was made of fluted drums. Difference engine. During the early 1820s, difference engine was designed by Sir Charles Babbage. Sir Charles Babbage is known as father of modern computer. Difference engine was a mechanical computer, which could perform simple calculations. It was a steam-driven calculating machine, designed to solve tables of numbers like logarithm tables. Analytical Engine. Analytical Engine was another calculating machine, which was also developed by Sir Charles Babbage in the year 1830. It was a mechanical computer that used punch cards as input. It was capable of solving any mathematical problem and storing information as a permanent memory. Tabulating machine. Tabulating machine was invented in the year 1890, by Herman Hollerith, an American statistician. It was a mechanical tabulator, based on punch cards. Tabulating machine could tabulate statistics, and record or sort data or information. This machine was used in 1890 by U.S. Census. Hollerith also started the Hollerith's Tabulating Machine Company, which later became International Business Machine, IBM, in 1924. Differential Analyzer. Differential Analyzer was the first electronic computer, introduced in the United States, in 1930. It was an analog device invented by Vannevar Bush. This machine has vacuum tubes to switch electrical signals, to perform calculations. It could do 25 calculations in few minutes. Mark I. The next major changes in the history of computer began in 1937, when Howard Aiken planned to develop a machine that could perform calculations involving large numbers. In 1944, Mark I computer was built as a partnership between IBM and Harvard. It was the first programmable digital computer in the history of computers.